What up, what up, what up? Working on the Denali, as you see. Working on the Denali. Gonna change out that throttle body. Gonna need you a 10 mil long socket so you get to all of them nice and easy. Just go ahead and crack those 4 bolts loose. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Crack all 4 of those loose. But first things first, disconnect the battery, the negative side. That way you tell the computer, hey, put that computer to sleep, so that way when it wakes up with a brand new part, he'll thank you later, or she'll thank you later. And after that, so I'll crack these loose. And then unplug this right here. Go ahead and click that down. Set that loose. Get that 6 pin right there, yeah. And then work your magic. Come down here. There's a million YouTube videos how to do this, but there's always a better way to do it, easier way, whatever. And you got proof that you did it if you make a video about it. So let's go ahead and get all these. Get all these loose. Last but not least, that last one. Be careful. I recommend putting everything on the extra battery tray. That way you know where everything is. Take this bad girl, slide her out. By the way, this is 400,000 miles. You know what I'm saying? I'm changing it out because I've been getting engine power reduced. I cleaned it out, everything. I did my best. It still popped up with the engine power reduced. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace her. And the new one came with a gasket. So go ahead and use your needle nose. Be careful. You know what I'm saying? Let's pop that off, like so. Put the new one on. But before we put the new one on, let's go ahead and compare. Even though Amazon says it fits and everything, I like to just make sure. You see those 6 pins? Make sure the new one got 6 pins. Make sure the new one got the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other little things. Just like that got 6 of those little things. Just look at, just compare everything, you know what I'm saying? The little lip. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go ahead and install it. I just threw the new gasket on. I go to the old one. The new one. Make sure it's all seated up. Go ahead and slide her on. Slide her in place. Don't forget to connect your connector. Like so. Sure, nice and clicks in there. Let's throw them bolts on. Got the bolts in. If you ain't got no torque wrench, you can always Go at a crisscross pattern. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you're not crazy over tightening them. Like, you ain't gotta go crazy with it. Just make sure it's like, okay, that's tight. And then throw on the throw this baby back on. Let's get it. Job done. Just that easy. Comment, subscribe if you have any questions. I know there's a million of these videos, but hey, nothing wrong with doing our own type of repair too.